How to use the calculator in Windows. You have to go to the Start menu, right click on it, go to Run, type in CALC from calculator and press Enter. But it's showing this. Where is plus and minus, for example? How do you do 2 plus 2? 2 what and 2? You can't, and it's showing these values also, M, YD, FT, and so on. So what to do? What are those numbers and where it says length? Well, don't use this calculator as a measurement unit converter, but come here to the three horizontal lines, and it is in the converter category, and more exactly at length, because that one is selected. Go up here to the calculator category, and there click on standard. And now it's a standard calculator. And now you can do 2 plus 2, and which equals 4. So now it's really a calculator. Here you have the divider, the multiplier, minus and plus. And you can reset it. So come here to the three horizontal lines, and don't use it as a measurement unit converter, but use it as a standard calculator. And next time you start the same program, right click on the Start menu, Run, CALC. Now it's just a calculator.